Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add pictures to OnlyFans. So, let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to onlyfans.com. Log in using your account credentials. Once you are on your homepage, click on the profile icon at the top left corner and then select settings from the drop-down menu. Inside the profile section, you'll see an option to upload your profile picture. Just click on the camera icon and select either upload file or take photo. Here I'll choose upload file. This will open a window where you can select a picture from your device. Choose the one you want and click save to add it. You can also upload a header image the same way if you'd like to customize your profile further. Now if you want to post picture in a new post, you need to be a verified user. To do that, click on your profile icon again and select Become a Creator. You'll need to fill in some basic details including banking information. Once you have submitted everything and completed the verification process, you'll be able to create new posts and add pictures to your OnlyFans account. And that's it. Now you know how to add pictures to OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.